Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you from BigJeffAudio.com.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
And we're here doing a kind of an unboxing. I'm still getting better, so I'm doing these at the house. So we're not gonna be able to hook them up today, but I will assure you we'll get back to that. But I wanted to bring some attention to these Deaf Bonce HM-6Ss. They're the Hannibal series. It's a mid-range 4-ohm, 100 watts RMS. You're gonna get your nice Deaf Bonce speaker, you get an instructional magnet, and you get a really nice looking speaker, and it comes in a set. These are actually sold for $39.90, so 40 bucks for a set of mid-range. Let's get down some facts on this. And they're on our website. You can just search really easy. You can just type in 6S, or you can go under Deaf Bonce, or just HM-6S. Okay, so I'm pulling up the specs here. 100 watts RMS, 4 ohm, 200 watt peak. So that already tells you very efficient. It's a paper cone, which normally gives you good slaps, even though it's considered mid-range. You should still receive some good mid-bass out of there. It's got a nice little cone with the Hannibal logo on there. I like that they even put the boot on here. Now you say, well, what's the big deal? Nobody's really gonna see that. Yeah, but if you're installing these in a door and there's a chance where your mounting depth is not that big and it's hitting metal or the wires, this actually would stop it from hitting that metal. It would hit this rubber gasket. No push on terminals here, so you'll need a small spade for the ground and a regular female spade for the power, or you could solder it on there. Okay, this is actually 92.5 dB. It's a 1-inch voice coil. Let me look at the frequency range. 100 hertz, so it still plays pretty low, all the way up to 11,000 hertz. So tons of vocals out of this, and like I said, it's a paper cone. $40 for a set. You can't go wrong on these. We sell the hell out of them. And the Hannibal series is still part of the Deaf Bonce line, which is still their high-end stuff. I like how you got the Hannibal logo on there. Paper cone. Some of y'all old-timers love a paper cone. I still do. I think it gives the best sound. I mean, $40. Where do you go wrong for that? And right now, Deaf Bonce is just killing it out there. Their subs, their amps, their mid-range, all super loud. So you can get these at BigJeffAudio.com. 40 bucks for a set, you can't go wrong. Put them in there. Listen to what they sound like. And the mounting depth on these, let me pull that up because they're really not that bad. Mounting depth is only 2.74 inches. It's not that heavy too. It's right around under 2 pounds, right around a pound. So it's still a decent sized magnet for this. 100 watts, don't let that twist your head. Everybody thinks you gotta have something that has way more power. And while it's not on our site, which it should be, I bet you that info is gonna be in the manual. Manual does come in Russian, but for us in America, we'll go to the American side. Let me look at the specs here, which is cool because it actually gives you different ways to wire and how to come up with particular ohm loads. So that's really cool feature. Here we go. Let's see. 100 hertz to 11,000. Ferrite. The 6S is the 100 watts RMS, and then they have a 6E, which we'll do another time, which is 80 watts RMS, a little bit less power. Do not have, but it is, they do not have the actual weight, and I don't have the scale here, so don't kill me in the comments. Try and do this from house on my pool table to keep the videos up so y'all can see product and take a look. Let's go over to this camera here. I want you to see, it's just a nice looking speaker. I love the boot. It's just, it's still a stamped steel basket, but it does look a little different. And like I said, I'm a paper guy. But it still has a little coating on there, so you don't have to worry about it being torn up right away with humidity or moisture. Okay, $40 a set, 4 ohm. Check them out on our website. Now also with all their stuff, they do have a warranty card with a serial number. You can fill that out and turn it in. There is a 1-year manufacturer's defect. This is a big discrepancy. If you go ahead and overpower these things and this thing seizes up or the coil shoots out, that's not a defect. There's not many defects. I'm gonna tell you why, because they would know about it right away. If you cross this over properly and give it the rated power, clean power, not clip power, the thing should last you forever. But the people that overdo it, unfortunately, you blow it up, go get another one. Especially for 40 bucks, you can't go wrong. This is a great item to put in there for everyday listeners and guys who want to compete and get loud on a budget. So we're gonna call this the Hannibal budget speaker because it does get loud, and for $40, you can't go wrong. Listen, I normally say this unboxing is where you get to see it and hear it before you buy it. Unfortunately, I can't do that, but we will be doing those videos soon. But at least you got to see it and hear about it, and check it out. BigJeffAudio.com. Like this video, comment, and share it out. Let me know what you think about the Hannibal. If you got one, let us know. Give us some insight on how they sound and compare that for the $40 price tag. I'm Big Jeff. I'll see you on the next video.